It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2019 Buick Encore Essence. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Encore. On the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. We've got a child lock button and auto express windows. Here we have the programmable memory seat, as well as the power adjustable driver's seat. Up above, we've got the power sunroof. Next, I'll climb right in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side of the steering wheel, we've got the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert. And on the right side, we've got the audio buttons. Here we have the digital dash. Up above, we've got the power sunroof buttons and OnStar. Here we have Buick's Infotainment Center. This Encore comes with navigation. The screen displays the outside temperature, the current time, and doubles as our backup camera. To the left, we've got the push start button, heated front leather seats, our climate control buttons with air conditioning, park assist, lane departure alert, and traction control. At the front of the Encore, we've got fog lights, a 1.4-liter turbo engine, 18-inch wheels. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert and the turn signal indicator. The rear windows are tinted. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on, you push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Roof rails up top. At the back, we've got the rear window wiper and washer. Next, I'll open up the lift gate and we'll take a look in the back. In the back, we've got cargo hooks, a storage compartment on the side, and a storage compartment down below. Last, we'll take a look in the back of this 5-passenger car. On the passenger door, we've got power windows. On the backs of both front seats, we've got seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got a 120-volt power plug-in. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we can fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever located on the tops of the seats. So come take a look at the 2019 Buick Encore Essence today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.